If today you are going to Rongai in the outskirts of Nairobi, at peak hour, at about 4 p.m., it will take you about 3 hours to go to Rongai. By the time you are reaching Kiseria, it's 3.5 hours. By the time, Mr. Speaker, you reach there and you are a parent, CBC is waiting for you, Mr. Speaker. You have had road rage on the way, quarreling with people, matatus are jumping on pavements. You've lost 3 hours. You've lost, Mr. Speaker, fuel that perhaps if quantified will be about 500 shillings, to say the least. We are telling you, calculate the time that we are saving for you, calculate the resources that you are going to spend on fuel, let us dual the road, let's toll it. Instead of paying 500, which you are wasting on the fuel, we will save for you, you pay about 200 shillings. Then the others are saving. So the message I should go to Kenyans is that dualing and tolling roads is not an extra charge. It's a saving. For as long as for every road that is tolled, the person in charge of the road must guarantee that the movement of persons shall be within a given period of time. So that then if the road becomes busy like Thika Road, you can either expand or put in place traffic management that will ensure that people move faster.